Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by accessing Devices Settings. In them, tap on Display and Brightness. And lastly, click on this switcher next to Automatic, located under Brightness slider. As you can see, my switcher is now blue. That means that adaptive brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!